welcome back on our channel. Who don't know me, I'm Susie from Quality Studio and Academy from Derby. Please subscribe. Okay guys, so what we gonna do today? Thank you so much for Mary McLeod. Maybe my pronunciation is not 100%, but anyway, so Mary, thank you so much for your comment, and I will show you the beautiful berry design today. Let me tell you a secret. We lost our video last week, so that's why we just recreated it. So Mary, please watch this video because it's especially for you again. And before we start the design, please, Ruby Chain, you are the winner from our first video. And please contact me on the messenger. Yeah, so let's do the berry design. First, we need to use our buffer and bonding gel. So on the nice clean buffed surface, I just apply the bonding gel and cure it for 10 seconds. Then our tip is done for the first coat of the color application. This is the white, but this time is just the purity. And after that, the second coat will be following, and I just add a little bit of yellow with the sparkly white, and of course we curing for 30 seconds in the LED lamp. Then I just would like to start with the berries and use the red color and nicely paint with our artistic stripper brush and draw the berries next to each other. And when it's done, it's going to be cured under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. The next step is just mixing together a little bit of brown and red as well. So now I'm just a little bit give a shadow of the berries. And now I start to draw the leaves as well. So now I'm just apply a little bit of yellow, orange and red next to each other. And when all of the leaves is done, then I start to blend together those colors. Don't pay too much attention on the shape because we will correct it. When I start to blending, is always start with the light color, with the yellow, and is going into the orange and into the dark red. And I do the same steps on all of the leaves, holding my brush very gentle and tapping movement, and is going down into the dark color. When the second coat is done, I start to draw the ball and highlight the leaves. I use the brown color, very gentle. Keep straight my brush and draw the veins as well. support your hand when you draw a tiny lines, and keep your brush straight and use just a very tiny amount of the color. The next step is the little black dots on the berries. So now we just would like to highlight every single berries as well. So I'm gonna use a little bit of brown again. Of course, I need to cure it under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then I pick some white so I can highlight the berries. And of course, we curing for 30 seconds in the LED lamp. I just give some yellow as well. It's up to you guys how you would like to do more shadow on the berries. You can use more color. When the design is finished, we just apply a top coat, glossing gel, and cure it under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then we're gonna use our cleanser on the lint-free wipe and clean the tip. We can see a beautiful finish. So if you like my video, please smash the notification bell and subscribe and like it. Okay guys, next week is the stone effect. See you next week. Bye bye.